So I've got the birthday dinner for Santiago all set up. We're just missing the birthday boy. I just texted him. Hopefully he'll get here soon. Go get it. We should have did the thing where he was going. No, don't touch it. Leave it. Stay. Okay, go get it. No. Stay. Oh, go get it. No. 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 Leave it. Stay. Stay. No, you cheater.
Can he do something different, Christine? Like maybe...
Did you know he almost bit my hand? Yeah, he does this.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
We play tug of war.
Who's gonna win? Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay, give it. Give it. Give. Oh, gotta give it. Gotta give it. Wanna play? Give it. Okay. Stay. Oh. No, just give it. Got it. All right, there you go.
Can he do something different?
Beg. Lay down. He'll do those things if he's not playing. Maybe he doesn't want to. You don't want to? All right, stay. Okay, go get it.
Daisy! Do something different.
He just wants to play. Okay, I don't want to play anymore. I'm done, okay? Okay, I'm done. No, I don't want to. I'm done. Go get Brianna. Go take it to Brianna. Go play with Brianna. Play Brianna. Let's see if he goes over there. No, go get your toy. Go get it. Where is it? Go take it to Brianna. No, not to me. I'm done.
No games anymore. No games.
I don't think he's gonna do anything else. Do you want to go potty outside? No. Do you want to go potty? You go potty? No.
Sit.
He is sitting.
No.
He'll beg for a hot dog. He'll go all the way up on his legs like that.
Can you do that, Daisy?
He's just looking at me.
Okay, no more video.
Put Brianna